Good morning to yous. For real though, good morning. We are headed to the west side of the Eastern Plains, and we are gonna go shoot some pheasants today. My father-in-law goes to a hunt club every year, and he gets the sweetest hookup at this hunt club. Breakfast, birds, ammunition, clay target, tournaments, you name it. It happens at this hunt club. So I was really excited when I got a call this morning. One of the people, or maybe a couple of the people that were supposed to show up, aren't going to show up. The spot's already paid for. So I'm actually headed out there right now. It's about 6:25 in the morning. Have another hour and 15 minutes to the drive. But I'm really excited because when we get there, it is on, baby. We are gonna shoot the living. It is gonna be a good day. It is beautiful out. Thank God for all that he gives us. What an amazing opportunity. I'm excited. You should be excited. Check out these views. We'll see you when we get there. On command, baby. Oh man, those guys got decent beards.
Boone! Boone! T-bone!
Yep.
Get that bird up there.
Yep. Okay, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
What, do I release him?
Say okay.
Okay.
There's another one right in front of you.
Yep.
Boom!
Oh, there's another one right here. Right at my feet.
Okay, I see it. Well, you can shoot everywhere but it up. Catch it up. Boom! Catch it up.
Man, he's not scared at all. Right here. There were so many in there. Mind holding this.
I know where 3 of the Chukkar went.
Those are all Chukkar that I shot.
Well,
You got 3?
Yep. Well, there was so many Chukkar. That's where they all went, up on that ridge.
well, we had
There's the hog.
4 of them here too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, we got a nice death climb. Gonna flush out this side.
Ready?
Okay. That's how it's done. Take notes.
Nice shot.
Got him.
Another bird, another bird. Be ready for the multiple flush. Oh, turn! Shoot! Buzzing. I think he got two, didn't he?
Got some. Nice job. Tandem.
60-40.
You want middle or you want me to? Okay. Oh, I see him.
Take him! That's a, I don't know.
That's a tie.
That was all Bobby. That goes to the father-in-law.
Yeah.
Boy, shoot!
I had a Band-Aid on my finger and it got caught somewhere and I got caught in my safety.
So, but I like that Band-Aid. Oh, boom. Boom over there.
We need to up our pheasant game. Yes.
Well, you weren't kidding, were you? Over here? Has a.
Oh, yeah.
She's on her. Right, we're not here to feed you. Shoot! Buzzing.
Got him. Yeah, I was gonna say straight up in that patch where it's kind of green. I don't think it's behind us, no.
Okay.
Just because in relation to where the water tank is.
Well, I guess the foot wasn't that bad.
Oh, I got a good feeling about this. Is it in that can or what?
I don't know. I don't see anything. Okay. Okay. There he is.
There you go, John.
Oh. You had a definite. I hit it.
Yeah, you did.
In there, your window was. Come on, Bill. There you go. Yeah, that's. You gotta be careful with the foot shot because there's nothing left. Where to?
Well, that pheasant's right up above this ridge.
All right.
But I mean, you tell me what you think the best plan of attack is.
Well, I'd say let's go after it.
Go after it.
But then we can come back down and kind of hit this area.
Okay.
These, sunflowers.
Yeah.
Side of the hill.
Oh, it's a pheasant and he's right there. He's right under Boone's nose.
Yeah. Chris, if I were you, I'd pull ahead so
Okay.
it goes there, Tim. Oh, it's down. Yeah, that's not one I hit. Could be. Hey. Well, you got his legs.
Is that what it was?
Yeah. Look at
Oh,
those
yeah.
legs. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The tail is broke.
Yep. That's him.
That's pretty good for this dog to pick up this bird live, totally live, and bring it without dropping it. Really? Have you ever seen a pheasant ear?
No.
So, this little black tuft right here, you pull that back, and there, that big hole
Oh, geez. Look at that.
is his ear.
Crazy.
So, compared to your head and your ear, that is a great big ear.
Yeah. That is a huge ear. Yeah. Dang, look at that. It's crazy. I didn't know that.
Wow.
Good job, Pooches.
So, I mean, I don't want to... There, take it!
Nice.
Ah, die! Yeah, well, there.
Yep.
That's a death climb, buzzing.
There you go. Hey, yeah.
Hey, Kenny!
Nice job, man. Here is our day of birds. Got a lot of chukkar, some pheasant, and more chukkar. Not a bad day of shooting. Well, we had a fairly good day. Shot 15 birds, 3 pheasant, 12 chukkar. Played a little NICOLAI, got breakfast and lunch. Such a fun event. So thankful that I get to go to that. Now we're packing it up. Oh, geez. Sorry for the bumpy road there. Good lordy.
I just realized I forgot to finish the outro for that video. I'm so excited. It is about to be, you know, spring, early summer. This is gonna be some of the best fishing that you'll see all year on CO Fish Bro. Great time to fish for me. Lots of big fish spawning, lots of really good bites going on around the state. Could not be more excited for the things coming up here soon. Thanks so much for watching the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment. We are coming up on that 500 subscriber mark. We're so close. We're gonna be doing a giveaway. It's gonna be awesome. I'll post a video in the future and you'll comment below that video and then you'll be entered for the drawing for the 500 subscriber giveaway. But you have to be a subscriber, so go ahead and click that button now. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Good luck in your fishing adventures, and I look forward to seeing you guys back here on CO Fish Bro. So you came to the channel, you liked what you saw. If you could do me one more thing before you leave and just click the subscribe button right here, that'll help me out a lot. Oh yeah.